This honey mustard grilled chicken recipe is from All Recipes member Connie, who jokes, "If ye have faith as a grain of mustard seed, ye shall make and enjoy this simple, tangy, delicious grilled chicken dish." Begin by preheating your grill from medium heat. Into a shallow bowl, add a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, two tablespoons of mayonnaise, and a teaspoon of steak sauce. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Set aside a small amount of this sauce for basting. Dip 4 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves into the sauce and turn them over to coat evenly. Lightly oil the grill grate. Grill the chicken over indirect heat for 18 to 20 minutes, turning it over occasionally until the juices run clear. Baste the chicken occasionally with the reserved sauce during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Be sure to keep a close eye on the chicken to avoid burning it. All Recipes member Kathleen suggests using a Worcestershire sauce in place of steak sauce to add a little zip